everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to add signature on lock screen on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so if you want your cell phone to be easily recognized, you can add a signature to the lock screen of your cell phone so that when your phone is lost, there will be a signature such as name or number that can be contacted when your cell phone is lost. And that make it easier for other people to recognize your cell phone. And now to do that, first you can go to settings menu and then you can scroll down and go to wallpaper and personalization. And then now you can go to lock style. And then you can customize on your lock screen right now, and then you can click on the center and click add signature. And now I will give my name, and then now you can click done and then click apply. And then so yeah, now you can see the result on the lock screen like this. And then so yeah, the signature is displayed on the lock screen. Okay guys, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.